you that you can earn money on YouTube, but you have to focus, you have to know what you want, and you have to know that you are fighting poverty. Seriously, you can easily earn daily, not by going to work, as in going to be employed on a 9 to 12 hour job. You can earn daily, not going to somebody's shop and sell things or somebody's business. You can earn daily because you have a smartphone. Most people have been asking me about this for a long time. How do you earn money? Today, I'm going to give you very simple ways how I maintain and make money online. When I'm talking about online, I mean especially my smartphone. And today in particular, I'm going to give you one major way I use my smartphone to earn money. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that said, I cannot hold a smartphone and I still beg for bread. So in today's video, please, this is a mind-blowing video that some of you don't get right. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I do earn money using my smartphone at the comfort of my home, or when I'm traveling, going to work, or when I'm at work, even when I'm on vacation, I'm doing anything. So this video is for you who has work, and even it is for you who is a student. Maybe it is even for you who is a stay-home mom, you're a father, whatever category you're in, this video is for you. And it is for somebody who is holding a smartphone. This is an Android phone. The one I'm using to record this video, it is iPhone. I have I can say I have some different kinds of phones. So if you know you have a smartphone, this video is also for you. Now, how do I earn? This is a real gist of this video. How do I earn money on a daily basis? You always see me. I earn. So people talk about it, and yes, I target to earn some good amount of money every day with my smartphone. And the first way today I'm going to show you is to use YouTube. YouTube is one of the platform that has given me a smile on a monthly basis, but it starts with a daily basis. So for you who has been there thinking, really, is it workable? How do I do it? I've seen some of them, my friends, even when I'm talking about friends, I'm talking the friends I've met online, and I'm talking about the friends I have in real life. But the friends I have in real life, because if you're a true friend, you know how somebody gets money. You know that they're like, Christine, how do I do it? So for you who is out there very far and you cannot be in touch with me and see how I do it, this video I'm going to explain for you what I do. I wake up every day with my schedule. I have my schedule targeted. So what I do, I know every day I have to make a video. And this is a video, I'm not doing a video just randomly. I'm doing a video depending on the schedule that I make on a monthly or on a weekly basis. And I'm doing this video because I have a target. So I face the camera, I get my smartphone. I don't use a camera, confiscated cameras, because I do this job very simplified, in a simplified way, because I record and I go editing even when I'm at work, even when I'm coming from work. Whatever I'm doing something towards these videos. So I'm explaining for you this to know that even if you have another job, there is no excuse that you're going to say that I'm very busy. So as you look at me as I record this video, I'm going to go to work, and that's why you see I'm really rushing. So I put a camera and I record depending on the prepared transcript, depending on the prepared topic that I'm going to do. But before even I record, you find I've already summarized, I've already done my transcript. I can do it in my head, or I can do it on a tablet, and I put it there, I get set. So when I record, I go direct and edit. But this video, as you watch it, I'm not going to edit. I'm going to directly post it, upload it on YouTube. So when I upload it on YouTube after editing, I make it run. There are some other things you do after uploading before you premiere. I make sure that it has a title, it has a thumbnail, it has a description, all those things they have, and I try to optimize whenever I get time. Then when I finish all those things, I schedule this video knowing that it is going to run at this time. But scheduling, sometimes I don't mind about the timing of premiering, but I always premiere morning and evenings. Morning, I always premiere from 7, from from 2 p.m. 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. I don't go beyond that time. There are reasons why I do that, because I want to make sure that that day is covered, as in that day has some amount of money that is coming. Whenever you premiere beyond 10 p.m., as in where I am, like in the Gulf, it means that video is going to be pushed to another day in terms of payments. Yes, we are paid daily. Even if you have green content behind, they will pay you on every day, provided your video is bringing views. But for me, I target that daily basis. My income should be on a daily basis. That's why I schedule my videos from either 2 a.m. to 10 p.m. If I go beyond, it will be 10:30 a.m. of the day. So this is how I do it. How do you earn with YouTube, you guys? Specifically, this video is for YouTube. One, I always tell you have to get a niche, and a niche comes from your passion. A niche comes from what you love. A niche comes from or what you want to fight against, or what you want to preach. A niche comes from something that you'll wake up from the bed and say, you guys, no, I should do this. I should do this without hustle. Even when you're feeling down, you can do it. That is a niche. A niche is something that you're going to specialize in. So like, for example, I talk about money. I talk about how to make money, and not how to make money is something broad. You can make money in different ways. But me, I specialize in you should make money from little or no money. You should make money from your skills. That is a niche. There's someone out there who is going to say, I'm going to specialize in reviewing gadgets. Like, for example, you say, I'm going to be reviewing all phones, either old or new, compared, or even apps and other things. Then another one is going to say, I'm going to be showing you my lifestyle. I'm going to be doing comedy. So creating content, being in a niche it is something broad. There are some people who are saying, I'm going to be doing political analysis. So these are different niches. But what I always tell people, and I focus, like you, if you want to start and you don't come and say, but Christine, you always tell us you earn on a monthly basis. How come by this month I'm not earning? How come you're not going? How come me I'm not earning? Target niches which are highly paid, as in terms of CPM and RPM. When we're talking about RPM and CPM, that one we go beyond. We talk about the amount of money that is paid by advertisers. Who is that person who is intrigued to put adverts on your videos? Another question that most people ask, and they're still confused, but can I do it daily? What prompts me to come on a daily basis and say, I'm going to put a video? Apart from finding a niche that is your passion, something that you love, you have to make sure that you take this one as part of your business, as part of your brand. Like me, because I decided to say I should never lack. Imagine me going to wait, being relaxed, and at the end of the day, I don't have something to give, to do for myself. I don't have something to care for myself. No, I need to make sure that I'm protected, as in terms of money. So if you want to be protected in terms of money, every day counts. That's why I come every day. This is how you earn money on YouTube. You will ask yourself, someone out there might be watching me and say, this is just talk. I've been there, but I never earn. And most people always face that problem because of their niche, because of their practices, because of how they come on or how they treat it, because of the practice by that matters a lot. There are some of you, now everybody knows that on YouTube, on Facebook, on social media platforms, people can buy viewers, people can buy subscribers, people can buy watch time. So if you're kind of a person that you involved in that, don't expect you're going to earn. The only thing I always say to people, I cannot be looking for money. I'm telling you I want money, and again I pay you to watch such that I can get money. No, you can get appreciation and give people who watching most engagers. That one is normal. Says this person has been engaging me. Do you know what it takes? You share with what you've gotten, but not go and say I'm going to buy views. That is totally out for people who want to build their brand. So in today's video, I'm telling you that you can earn money on YouTube, but you have to focus, you have to know what you want, and you have to know that you are fighting poverty.